Artificial intelligence is unlocking possibilities that were once out of reach. Possibilities that are now creating lasting impact. Impact that positions AI as a greater force for human good. The world has moved from Bletchley Park to Seoul, from Paris, and now all eyes turn to India. As the world turns its gaze to India in February 2026, India will take center stage among the global AI ecosystem. World leaders, innovators, startups, researchers, academia, technology companies to create more than just an impact at the India AI Impact Summit 2026 from February 16th to 20th, 2026. To shape the future of AI, making it safe, more inclusive, and rooted in impact. 3 sutras will guide the vision of the summit. People, to shape AI that empowers every individual, ensuring no one is left behind. Planet, AI that protects the environment and accelerates meaningful climate action. Progress, AI that boosts productivity and fuels inclusive growth. At the summit, 7 chakras as themes will guide the discussions. Human capital, AI for economic development and social good. Inclusion for social empowerment. Democratizing AI resources. Safe and trusted AI. Science. Resilience, innovation, and efficiency. As the countdown begins, a global movement is already underway. In the run-up to the summit, over 300 pre-summit events across the globe have sparked new thinking, engaging more than 2 lakh participants with 1,200 plus proposals for pre-summit events submitted. In addition to these convenings, working groups in over 100 countries are shaping frameworks that ensure AI delivers real, measurable impact. The regional AI Impact Conferences, scheduled to be organized in the run-up to the summit, will also convene stakeholders to showcase the different AI initiatives undertaken by the state governments of Meghalaya, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Kerala, and Orissa. To bring forth the spirit of innovation, several global flagship initiatives are being organized in the run-up to the summit. AI for All, AI solutions that address real-world challenges. AI by Her, women-led teams showcase groundbreaking AI innovations. Yuva AI, young innovators aged between 13 and 21 presenting AI solutions for social progress. Research Symposium, AI researchers sharing breakthroughs that shape the future of innovation. India AI Tinkerpreneur, school students building AI-enabled solutions for social good. Udaan, the Impact Pitch Fest, empowering startups from around the world to present impactful solutions and connect with global investors and ecosystem leaders. During the summit, the AI Expo 2026 will become one of the world's largest stages to showcase AI's transformative power in action. The flagship initiatives also extend to global casebooks that will be launched at the summit in partnership with the World Health Organization, International Energy Agency, United Nations Women, Central Square Foundation and Ekstep Foundation, Government of Maharashtra, World Bank, and Wadhwani AI, Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India, International Institution of Information Technology, Bangalore, and Change Inc. These casebooks will highlight AI's impact on health, energy, gender empowerment, education, agriculture, and accessibility, showcasing groundbreaking innovations and highlighting key lessons from real-world AI applications. All of this builds towards a summit of unprecedented scale, uniting nations and innovators from across the world. India AI Impact Summit 2026. The world's largest convergence of leaders, innovators, and global pavilions shaping the future of AI. Here, India sets the stage for impact to define the future of AI.